CDI Electronics has introduced the first product allowing boat builders to easily and cost-effectively add RGB lighting to their existing and new product. Introducing the Gen 2 RGB Controller from CDI. The Gen 2 controller allows a builder to keep the existing wiring used with single color lighting while upgrading to RGB. It starts with the CDI Gen 2 RGB controller, available in single and dual zone configurations. The controller contains an over-the-wire transmitter that controls the light colors and dimming over the existing power wires, so you only need to run 2, not 4 wires from the controller to the light. At each independently controlled light or fixture, a small receiver is placed which receives the instructions from the controller, breaking them out to standard instructions which any RGB light can use to set the color desired. Control of the lights is done with standard dual-throw momentary switches. The style and manufacture of the switch is up to the builder. A single switch is used to turn the light on and off, cycle through the colors, and for dimming.
To give you an idea of how this can positively impact a builder, we are visiting Crest Pontoons, where for over 55 years, pontoon excellence has driven their product development. They wanted to offer RGB lighting, but were facing different harness designs for multiple models, as well as increased wiring costs and weight.
As an example, Crest's helm and harness supplier, as well as Fusion Radio and their cup hold supplier, all provided plug-and-play connections, making assembly a breeze.
We knew we wanted to offer RGB lighting for our upcoming model year. Our customers wanted it, and we needed a solution to standardize a single light for each location instead of having to order in stock different parts for different trim levels. On the downside, we did not welcome a large engineering and implementation effort to redesign harnesses to incorporate the extra wiring of a traditional RGB install. When our CDI rep Kevin showed us the 2-wire RGB system, we immediately knew this would solve our RGB lighting needs with the lowest engineering time, the quickest integration for production, and the biggest potential in cost savings. Getting the cost down was key to customer acceptance. With the CDI RGB controller, we have met our goals.
The selections of colors is completely up to the builder. A handheld tool is connected to the actual RGB lights, so there are no surprises with the color choices. From 1 to 10 or more colors can be programmed, and navigation or police colors can easily be avoided. The Gen 2 potted and marinized 2-wire RGB controller is available now from CDI Electronics.